This is the elevator at the Restoration Hardware store, fashionable at Keystone, Indianapolis. It's another 330 boring. But this is a nice store overall. Here it is. This thing looks pretty nice. Let's go to 2. Here we go. You're up at 2. All right, what's the interlock say? I think that said November 2012. Okay, so this is a lot older than I thought it would be. And I mean, the cab is pretty nice overall. There's your certificate and a 3,500 pound capacity. But still, I have to say, yuck. I would have hoped for something nicer in here, like a 3,300 or even a Kone EcoDisc. All right. This is a very nice store. There it goes. That'll be it.